Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how seamlessly add a radio player to your website in just 2 minutes, and you don't need any specific skills. Let's get started. Head over to elfsite.com and select the radio player widget from the menu. Click Create Widget and you can find the direct link in the video description. Now let's build your widget. Begin by choosing a template that best suits your needs, then click Continue with this template. To add radio shows to your website, simply paste the station link. You can choose the widget position on the Layout tab, customize the track info, controls and widget design on the Player and Style tabs. Your widget is ready. Explore other settings to adjust layout, size, colors and fonts. Click Join to install to add the widget to your website. Next, log in or sign up to the Elfsite apps. It's free and no credit card is required. Once signed up, you'll see the widget you created. Click Save. Next, choose your subscription plan. To display the widget on any page, let's focus on the most popular use case, adding it to the home page. After logging into the pages and selecting Homepage, add a custom HTML block to the required part of the page. Pass your widget's code and click Update after you finish. Please feel free to review the look of the site after you added the widget before you click Update. You can also explore their cool and exciting widgets for free by clicking the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.